If your chat isn't working in Minecraft and messages won't send or even show up, this is the working fix in 2026. This issue usually comes from one of a few settings. Let's fix it fast. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss fixes like this. First, check your edition. On Bedrock, chat is controlled by Microsoft account privacy settings. On Java, it's controlled in-game and by server settings. If you're on Bedrock and chat is completely disabled, it's almost always a privacy block. For Bedrock players, go to your Microsoft account arrow privacy settings and make sure you can communicate outside of Xbox Live with voice and text is set to allow. If this is blocked, Minecraft hides or disables chat entirely. Next, open Minecraft and go to settings arrow accessibility/chat settings. Make sure chat is set to shown, not hidden, or commands only. Updates sometimes reset this automatically. If you're on Java Edition, press S to options to chat settings and confirm chat visibility is on. Also check if you're on a server with chat disabled. Some servers mute new players or require verification before chatting. If chat still doesn't send, log out of your Microsoft account, Bedrock, or restart the game, Java, then log back in. This refreshes permissions and fixes session-related chat bugs. Another quick fix, check your multiplayer settings. If your account is set to single player only or multiplayer is restricted, chat won't function properly in servers or realms. Pro tip, if messages appear but don't send, check your keyboard language or input settings. Sometimes special characters or autocorrect glitches prevent messages from going through. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your edition and platform and I'll tell you exactly what's blocking your chat.